All right, we're going to look at some reflections. All right, so kind of imagine what letter would you get if you reflected each one of these shapes in its corresponding mirror line. Okay, so what you want to think about is that mirror line and its image have to be the same distance as the mirror line to the original. Okay, so if you notice, for example, this corner here is 2 units away from that mirror line. So we just simply need to count 2 spaces down from that mirror line, and that would give us our image point. So if this is point A, this would now be A prime. And then this box here is 2 units down, so we would go 2 units on this side. Let's call it B, and so this would be B prime. Same thing for this one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 away, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if we do like that, be C, and we count. So it's 4 away from the mirror line, so we would count 4 down from that mirror line. And then that would be our box, okay? So if we do that for the blue, of course we have to count to our mirror line. So this one would be 3 away, so we have to count 3 away over here as well. And so if we were to do that, two away. We flip it over. We could use a piece of patty paper, that this is where it would end up. Can you visualize where the blue one would be? So 3 across, 3 across. We flip it over like a piece of patty paper, we get the letter T. All right, let's look at this one. So kind of imagine in your mind where that would go. And pause this, maybe draw it out. Okay, let's see what we came up with. So we're just counting 2 blocks to the blue mirror line, 2 blocks on the other side. The green one, we're going to flip over the green line. And then the red one. Okay, so the pre-image and the image have to be the same distance from that mirror line. All right, now we also have some slanted lines. Okay, so can you imagine where that would be? Now for these diagonal ones, you would really need a piece of patty paper, but you can kind of visualize where it would wind up. Alright, so now it's going to be your turn. On your worksheet that you should also have in your packet, you're going to reflect each shape in the corresponding mirror line. I suggest that you use a piece of patty paper to do so. All the shapes are going to fit together to form a particular word. You might want to use pencil because just in case you make a mistake, you'll be able to erase. So this paper is in your packet, or if you've lost it, you can print it from here. So just real quick, just to make sure that we all understand what's happening, you're going to reflect this particular shape, this shape, AB, over the line AB. So you're going to take your piece of patty paper, you're going to trace that shape, and then you're going to fold it. Your crease of your patty paper should be along AB. And then where that new figure lies, you're going to kind of have to like peel the patty paper back a little bit and draw where it's going to land, okay? Or Or you could count. You could use the counting when the mirror lines are vertical or horizontal. So like this corner here is 1 unit away, so we're going to count 1 unit away. And so that's going to be the bottom of that figure. And then this one is 1 unit away, 1 unit away on this side, so it's right here. Okay, and then we can do this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the mirror. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you get the idea. Patty paper or count. Now on those diagonal mirror lines, you will have to use patty paper.